some breaking news coming in. At top of this, our Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has now written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging doorstep ration delivery scheme to now be implemented in Delhi. Remember, earlier the Aam Aadmi Party government claimed that the centre blocked them from implementing the scheme, following which a massive face-off had erupted between the BJP as well as the Aam Aadmi Party, with each blaming the other for non-compliance as well as not implementing this particular door-to-door ration scheme. And now we're getting in this update of the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, writing to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, urging doorstep ration delivery scheme. Let me go across to my colleague Madhurima, who is now joining us on the broadcast. Madhurima, yes, we are now getting in this update of the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, writing to the Prime Minister. Please share more.
Well, Richa, the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal, has written to the Prime Minister of our country urging him to allow the door-to-door delivery of ration scheme. Now, let me tell you that this, according to Mr. Kejriwal, just few days before this entire scheme was scheduled to be launched, the centre put a block on it. However, now Mr. Kejriwal in his letter has written that him and his government has always supported the Prime Minister in each and every step, and now in return he wants the Prime Minister to now step up and help him out and allow him to carry out this particular scheme all across in the national capital for the needy. However, the centre has claimed that if Mr. Kejriwal wants a delivery scheme of ration from door to door or any sort, then he could buy his own stock of ration. And now the centre is claiming that Mr. Kejriwal is taking credit of the two ongoing national ration scheme under the Food Security Act, and that cannot be allowed. And the centre has also said that Mr. Kejriwal is spreading false rumours about this entire scheme, as it is a central scheme, and they have made it very clear that if he wants to start a scheme, then he'll have to buy the ration from scratch and then give it to the people of the national capital. As what Mr. Kejriwal is claiming, that the centre is not allowing him to do this good work at the time of pandemic. However, the centre believes that the centre is already giving ration to the poor people, not only in the national capital, but all across the country under the two schemes from which Mr. Kejriwal wants to take credit from. Richa.
All right, thank you so much, Madhurima, for getting us that update. So the face-off between the centre and the Aam Aadmi Party Delhi government continues over the door-to-door step ration scheme. We wait and see what response does Arvind Kejriwal receive.